Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error code is 0x800703e6 installing upgrading failing failed. So guys, it's very easy to fix. So first you need to click on start. Now type troubleshoot settings. See this, click on it. Now need to click on other troubleshooters. Now click on Windows Update, click on Run. You see this, wait some few minutes after this process will be completed, so close it. Click on Start. Now type CMD. Now right click on Command Prompt, click on Run as administrators. Type one command SFC space slash scan now. Press enter. Wait some few minutes after this process will be completed this 100%. So type second command. You see this command. If you comment, so I will give in description box. So then you copy and paste it. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.